Here's one of our vanity cabinets. So we actually custom designed these vanities to match best in our client's bathroom over here. So actually these two right here are the large parts of the vanities. There'll be a double sink where you put the little drawers in the middle. We've got a few different vendors out there depending on what kind of style we need to go with and or what our budget is. Because of course, if we do insurance restoration, sometimes our budget can be, normal people houses up to very high end, or we have our commercial and residential as well. So when we're doing these losses, I need to make sure that our company can provide to you guys the right vendors to fit the right needs of what you had before, and or if you want to do upgrades, things like that, we can stay affordable and give you a lot of different options. So this is one of our brands that we use. This vendor actually has about 16 to 18 different colors and styles, so we can help you guys design bathrooms, kitchens, built-ins, around the mantles, things like that. And you can have different colors, styles, all that kind of selections. These guys have great hardware on here. It's soft close doors and drawers. We can pick out your actual hardware where your cabinet knobs or pulls, things like that. So this is just one of our options. As you can see, it's nice, pretty, soft close doors and drawers. I would show you guys this, but they're nice and protected with the painters coming through here right now. I don't want to disturb these or have any imperfections with them. But if y'all have any questions with that, feel free to reach out to us and we can kind of walk you guys through that and then kind of show you some of these if y'all are in need of doing some cabinetry, things like that.